nature retreat without the drive. Wow.
Through traffic, got no lights on. You're a genius. Oh my god, you're an idiot.
It says you should do it. Two cats keep each other busy and out of trouble. Yeah.
Okay.
Right on Route to LA.
Nice blinker.
Or more in trouble. Okay.
Oh, you're pretty much going straight though.
I'm thinking more right horse as a cat. I need you right here, cause every time you fall, I play with the tools, you play with the guitar.
Oh, nice planning ahead behind me.
I haven't even finished reading through and so you just have to remember if you adopt another cat. You have to be prepared for two cats for the remainder of your days. Once one of them passes away, they will need to have another to replace the lost pet.
To be fair, that blue truck was driving very impatiently.
They say, I have done this, and I have always had two dogs.
Oh, that was a little too close.
Coming in at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as well.
Oh, of course, you're making a last second
hear
decision.
from an artist that might be kind of local, that doesn't usually get airplays. Maybe they don't have some links that you can find easily, but you have access to like the SoundCloud file. Send that in at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It makes my life a little bit easier as well. The Now Takeover.
That's an interesting parking job.
In 100 meters, turn right on 34 Avenue Northwest.
Well, you're not very smart now, are you? Huh. Oh dear. Got two last seconders there. Wow. Hey, that's a stop sign. Are you gonna stop? Oh, what are you? You better not be trying to make a last second decision there.
Hey, Alexa,
oh, you are.
1023 now radio.
Of course you are.
Playing 1023.
Focus is just $96 bi-weekly.
City Board is swamped with trade-ins from this incredible event. 120 used vehicles must go right now. No reasonable offer will be refused.
Get a 2012 Taurus all-wheel drive for
What
only
the hell is happening there?
or a 2015 F-150
There's nobody even around. It's just a car with its hood open, abandoned in the middle of the street. What the hell?
Spin and win. And I...
Oh, yep. Idiot. How about you get off my ass? There's a ton of traffic here. What are you doing? I don't see a signal there. You need to signal when you parallel park. Oh, and we got a jaywalker. That looks like a terrible parking job.
Move-in ready townhomes with no
was
condo fees,
red.
featuring front and back landscaping, double car garage, and appliances included.
That's another red light.
In just 2 minutes, you could make a grilled cheese sandwich.
Best deals on Toyotas.
Hey, what are you up to?
Slaving away, cooking dinner again.
Again?
Yeah, I'm starting to get summer FOMO.
Well, stop
Stay
cooking
in
and start
your
packing.
lane.
Packing what?
A summer 4-pack combo from Pizza 7.
Call away, I'll be there to save the day.
Are you going?
Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one.
Oh dear. Well, I don't think that was a good idea.
Call away, I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing.
Okay, taxi, just gonna casually turn into 2 lanes? What are you doing? Oh, well, you just can't signal until the last second. Yeah, you failed to yield. That's a red light runner there. Pretty sure that's not how you turn left. Man, you just turned onto the wrong side.
Are down to earth, they're approachable. The discussions you guys have relate to what's going on in our life, or in those that we know.
1023. Now
Why didn't you just get in the other turn lane? Why would you stop there? You are an idiot.
As an excuse to lie awake. Now the monsters are the ones that I have to face. No band-aids for the growing pains. Oh, yeah.
What's this truck doing? What the hell are you doing? What the hell is wrong with you? Behind me. Oh, really?
Exit right to 50th Street. Then stay to the right to 50th Street Northwest.
Yeah, he's definitely going too fast. Typical little dick syndrome in a sports car. What exactly are you doing? That's a stop sign there.
Turn right on 50th Avenue.
Text in, I get a text back. You know, the communications there is great. Now wows are awesome. 1023. 1023. Now radio.
Yeah, hard to find a head back there.
Green they have this gorgeous outdoor garden with flowers, a pond, and a big grassy area for the kids. It's like a little nature retreat without the drive.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
We could pack a lunch.
What is
Well,
wrong
they have
with
a
you?
restaurant too, with
only
yummy
60
pizza
here.
and lemon slushies. We
From our sponsor, I said, are you ready to hear a word from us?
Are you stupid? That was a dumb question. Really? Why can't people plan ahead? Like, nobody can plan ahead in this place. Nice stop as well. Nice to see you can't plan ahead either, behind me.
You're all set, let's go.
You are not even paying attention at all. Just darted across the aisle.
Blake at 56789 was the one that sent in Spirit of the West's home for arrest. So thank you so much for taking care of my Camcon
Oh, of
number.
course you were planning on
Friday
jaywalking.
night.
Stupid idiot.
Join the conversation. Now radio.
Closer time.
Oh, there's another one to the left.
Typically, I find people love the stories and the ideas behind people's tattoos. For me personally, I love finding about people's this. But I love hearing about scar stories. How you got the scar, maybe on your arm, on your forehead, on your back, on your leg.
Oh, it looks like, oh, they're doing some road work, I guess. Yeah, road work. That's what it
The
is.
rest of the show, I promise. Even though I could.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh.
Maybe it's
975
6:45.
Street
Maybe I'm
Northwest.
barely alive. Maybe you're taking me for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk.